Ladies and gentlemen, good day, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can block a website on Google Chrome Mobile. Step 1. Open Chrome settings. First, open the Chrome app. On the top right-hand side, tap the three dots. From the menu, scroll down and select Settings. Step 2. Go to Site Settings. Inside Settings, scroll down until you find Site Settings. Tap on it. Step 3. Find JavaScript. Under the View Content section, look for JavaScript. By default, this option is turned on. Step 4. Add a site exception. Now, tap on Add Site Exception. Here, type in the exact website address you want to block. For example, www.facebook.com. This tells Chrome not to allow that site to run JavaScript on your device. Step 5. Restart Chrome. Once you've added the site, close your Chrome browser completely. Then reopen it. Now, when you try to access that website, it will no longer load properly. And that's it. You've successfully blocked a website on Chrome Mobile. If this was helpful, drop a like, and I'll see you in the next one.